Knox game.
The storm threat has pretty much ended in Knox County. It just depends on how much time they need to warm up or get the field prepped. But we're done with severe threat in Knoxville westward. Not the case. A little bit longer areas east, foothills into the Smokies. We still have this warning here, especially Gatlinburg east, right to the Tennessee-North Carolina border. I will say this storm has weakened substantially compared to what it was earlier. So 6:45, another 30 minutes. That warning in place. Got our camera back. The power came back at Anakeesta. You can barely see. It's heavy rainfall still in that area, and this one looks like at ground level there. Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies there in Gatlinburg, ponding on some of the plaza areas and on the roadways as well. This is that line of thunderstorms that developed in the heat of the day today, sliding eastward. This is the last gasp. Now, will there be a few more spotty showers or rumbles behind it? Possibly. Will there be many? No. I think the majority of the activity will continue to move east over the next hour and things will be much quieter. But it's been a noisy day for sure. Power outages, 14,000 Knox, 1,500 in Blunt, 2,500 plus in Sevier County and areas to the north as well. Hancock, Hawkins County, 900 in Hancock, 200 in Hawkins, and it looks like even into Granger County, we've got over 100 showing up now. So yes, there have been power outages across the area. Hopefully it comes back on soon. The good news is, as I mentioned, this storm threat where we are now at 6 o'clock slides east, and by the time we get to 9, things are much quieter. So I really think another hour, hour and a half, and then we're going to be done with our severe threat, obviously, for the rest of the night. Some lingering clouds at times, and maybe a random shower, but not expecting any severe weather overnight. We'll start out mild, upper 60s to low 70s tomorrow. Then, like today, it gets hot and it gets humid. High temperatures will top out upper 80s to low 90s, including 90 in Gatlinburg, 90 in Knoxville, and 91 in Maryville, but heat index values closer, if not above, triple digits for many as we go through the afternoon. So with all that heat, with all that humidity, and a cold front approaching from the west, storm chances will go up. Quiet start, though, in the morning, 7 a.m. through midday. I don't see much in the way of storm activity there. Shortly thereafter that, though, just like today, storms will blossom, maybe some isolated damaging wind gusts once again, just like what we saw for today. Storm threat starts to quiet down a little bit in the evening. This is 6 o'clock. The difference is, as that cold front comes through, there's still moisture in the atmosphere, so can't rule out a few random showers or rumbles overnight into early Sunday as well, but don't think those will be severe. Here's the risk for tomorrow. Again, mainly in the afternoon and evening hours. A level 1 out of 5 for everybody, but a slightly higher 2 out of 5. Portions of Kentucky. This is really more for central, northern, and eastern Kentucky up I-75, but we'll still watch. Isolated damaging wind gust, again, will be our biggest threat tomorrow. Once the front moves through, rain chances are very spotty. By the time we get into Sunday, the majority of the area will probably end up being dry, except over towards the mountains. And then next week will be dry. In fact, pretty pleasant coming up over the next couple of days. We're talking lows in the upper 50s to low 60s, highs in the low 80s, and dry conditions. In fact, Wednesday, low of 58 will be within a degree of tying a record set back in 1893. With the storms that rolled through today and the storms expected tomorrow, great thing you can do is download our free weather app. Just search Knoxville Weather in the Apple App Store or in Google Play, or you can hold your camera's phone or tablet's phone, or his camera rather, right there on that